Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 Lightroom shortcuts I use every day to save me time while editing. Before we jump into the video, I just wanted to mention that I have creative Lightroom presets available for you to color your images with. You can check them out on digitalfilmactions.com and I'll leave a link in the description for you as well. My first shortcut is my most used one. Use the comma and period keys to move between modules such as temperature, tint, exposure, etc. and use the minus and plus keys to adjust each slider. You can also hover your mouse over each slider and simply press the up and down arrows to adjust your settings as well. This is a method I use most often. I like to move between library and develop while selecting which images I want to edit, as I like being able to see my images in a grid mode to select which photos stand out. Quickly move between both by using the shortcut E for library and D for develop. Press the shortcut I to quickly be able to view the time, date, and dimensions of your image. Press I again to be able to see your camera settings for that photo as well as which lens you used. Press Z to quickly zoom into your photo to 100% so you can make sure it's completely in focus. If you're happy with the edits you've made on a particular picture and you want to copy those settings over to other images, simply select your edited photo, hold down Shift key and select all the photos you want edited. Use the shortcut Command-Shift-S to sync your settings. If you're on Windows, use Control-Shift-S. And one last bonus shortcut, I get asked about this one all the time. To quickly see a before and after of your editing, hit the backslash button. I hope you all enjoyed this video and learned something new. I've put up all my social media links up here so you know where to find me. Please let me know in the comments what shortcuts you like to use in Lightroom the most, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!